got some field edges that were a little green. They should be a little drier today, but I'm gonna go finish them up. And then we'll be totally done on this farm. They're probably about 10 foot wide. It's pretty much just one headland, and there's a part of the headland curves around some wetlands, so I'm gonna grab some of those beans. And we'll be done here, and then I'm gonna go finish up cutting soybeans across the road from the home farm. And Mike's been drilling wheat. Dad's gonna go weigh an empty truck at his cousin's place. So yeah, let's get busy. Running some high 50s, 60s, and 70 bushel beans right now. Had a rock and going to the rock trap. But anyway, working on the last dump to fill the truck. Dad's bringing another one out. He has to go brush hogging for one of our landlords, so he doesn't really want to, but they've been good. Hopefully we pick up the farm when they don't have it anymore. But we farmed that field for that farm for a long time, so if they need something, we'll do it. But yeah, well, I'm working on. It'll be usually 4 dumps fills a truck, but this wheeler trailer with 3 axles takes about 4.5. But I'm loading it really full too because it's going in the bin, which is half a mile down the road. If it was going to the elevator, it would load it as full. But everything's going good. These soybeans I'm running right now are just amazing yield. It's 60s, 70s. I mean, on the hills at like the peak it's like 50, but when it flattens back out it's 60s, 70s. I've even seen 80 just going across the field. I mean I'm really impressed. There's some 60s right there, but I mean 60s, 70s all across the field. It's great. We're definitely gonna be planting these beans again. This is my dad's cousin Craig McManus. He sells M&W seed, and that's these are M&W soybeans. And they're yielding across the field, and they're really good. Their slogan is field ready, yield ready, and the yield's there. That's for sure. Smells smoky. Gotta get all this shit out of here. The cutter bar got plugged. Smoke's come out of here. Luckily there wasn't a fire. I mean, I got a fire extinguisher, so this fucking grass plugs up the cutter bar. It's really hard on it. Hopefully we can get this cutter bar rolling again though. Oh man, it's dusty. Just plugged the feeder house, but it wasn't. The beans are dry and I'm not running anything green through it. I must have ran a rock into it or something. What it sounds like, because when I hit the reverser, it sounded like a rock kicked back out. While we're out of the cab, let's check what job we're doing here. Looking like we're doing a really good job. Well, I'm gonna try running the reverser a little bit more because it's packed under the head. If the reverser will run. Well, appears to be we're running again. I don't know. Who knows what caused it? She's full. Tough early tonight. It's 7:29 right now. I guarantee just past 8 it'll get tough. I just got done with this field I'm at, and I'm gonna move over to the field that's across the road from the home farm. Well, I didn't get quite done with this field. I left probably about 2 acres of wet spot, just wet beans. Yeah, I'm gonna head over to the field across the road from the farm. So finish up what I can there. And there's a bunch of there's probably about 10 acres of low ground I won't be able to get until like Saturday, tomorrow or Sunday. It might be ready to go. I have a feeling it'll be closer to Sunday though. But I'm gonna get the dry ones right now, and I think we're gonna move a couple miles north tomorrow and start running beans. Well, I'm almost done with the dry beans across the road, I think. I don't think there's any more. There might be a little bit, but not even that much. It's just this little tiny pass, and yes, I can see just as good as you. It's windows need clean, but that air system really just kicks a lot of dust up, so it really makes it hard to see. Almost done. Okay, we are done with the dry beans across the field for now. The field across the road. There's still some, like I said, there's still 10 acres of beans, wetter beans down on low ground, but tomorrow we're gonna move like 5 miles north and start running there. So Mike's been hammering in weed all day with the drill, so yeah, we've been getting things done today. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Gonna have, I think, another video out tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a better video. I mean, it's hard to get good footage when you sit in the combine all day. I mean, it's just, you kind of just get the same footage all day. So sorry if it's kind of boring, but anyway, see you in the next one.